Yeah, everything matters. I used in park once. And I was like, and I was in a tree. And then I come back to work. First station and and then I start seeing something black going across the pier. The hell is that? And he's like, it's okay, I'm from the south. I got it, I'll get it. So he's looking for the bug, and I'm like, so scared, so scared. It was so ugly and black, and like.
Did he get it?
Yeah, he got it. I got it.
He killed it.
I said, never again, I'm not going under the tree.
No trees. That's hilarious.
But I saw it going like this in the clouds, and I was like, what is that?
What is those June bug? The little thing that this big and it flies all over?
Are you sure it's not the Japanese beetle?
I don't know what it is.
That big one that hits you?
Yes. It comes with you like, yes. Yes. In my patio. I don't even feel like eating. In my patio, I swear. And they tell me, did you know? That's not the outside. Okay. So he said that they were moved in, right? The minute I sit down, getting the coffee. Oh, here comes that thing, comes ready.
Yeah.
And then he goes, husband, we incarnated in a little bug. Hates you.
Those are the words. They are like this. They're blind or something.
Ew, I thought you said really were blind. Seriously, they come at you like this.
Yeah, I know.
They
They're
always
ugly.
chew up.
They're really loud. I always catch them. I used to catch them. And you didn't feel like crawling your hand? Oh,
Ew.
terrible.
They must fly fast.
Scary.
Yeah, they're quick.
Bye. Have a good lunch. Terrible.
I went to the pharmacy trying to get some COVID tests. They're all out.
Oh my God, I told Dr. Nishan. Oh, yeah, they have some here.
No, they're all out for the next week.
Damn.
The Belfast is the only one.
Oh,
I better tell my husband.
yeah.
They were like San Diego, LA, Inglewood, and then the Dodger Stadium. And I go, how the hell do you guys feel like this stadium? Are they the same people? And they go, well, there's other people in this was calling me crazy. And I thought, no, it's false. No, it's not. And everybody knows kept wanting to turn and look, but they were afraid that if they looked, he would call them. I thought he said, yeah, it's not. No more eating.
Ording. Yung mga giba. Anong link yon?
Black pepper in here? Huh? What a black pepper. Is this a food or a drink? It has, let me tell you,
The 60th anniversary of the
orange juice, apple juice,
and the mindful renewal of
algae water,
Karuba?
water, turmeric,
Ah, okay.
lemon juice, and black pepper.
Dilaki pala to. Okay.
Elon Tabernacle Baptist Church, Pastor Dr. Alan Laura leads one of the biggest congregations in the Philadelphia area. He sat down with him to talk about how the March on Washington changed the country and the strides that still need to be made decades later. He has a
Okay, lakay.
special connection to Dr. King, summed up in this picture proudly displayed in his church office, taken 4 years after the March on Washington.
Dr. King and my father were friends, and Dr. King was preaching. That picture of me was sitting at Dr. King's around in September of 1967. He was preaching my father, Dr. Alfred Waller, his fourth pastoral anniversary at the Shiloh Baptist Church in Cleveland, Ohio.
Pastor Waller was 3.5 years old in this picture, but this moment sparked a profound movement even at that young age, leading to his pastoral and community activist role.
I'm proud of my dad because in September 67, and it was at a time when a lot of black churches had run away from Dr. King. A lot of people had run away from Dr. King because at that time, Dr. King was talking about reparations. He's talking about economic justice. We would be able to work together.
Hey, has anyone said anything about
The march under years of
like,
evolution into a fierce fight for freedom, social justice and equality, and into violence and poverty for most Americans. More than 250,000 people participated in the historic march. A sea of electric soldiers is formed beside Quincy, gathering near the Lincoln
I
Memorial.
don't think they're not even talking to
Recognize that he didn't reach the finish line. In fact, he said, I've seen the promised land. I might not get there with you. He gave us a great legacy to live up to. I still believe in this country, but we still have a lot of work to do.
In Philadelphia, I'm Natasha Brown.
We will be sharing stories of the March on Washington all week long, leading up to our special on CBS
I don't know anything about that one. What's that Union bread?
All right, come back next. Don't you know that? Just to check on the next one.
Simpsons, I think our leaders are thinking about it. The Southern California television starts to be
It happened before, in 1990 something, when my coworker was in Euclid at the time.
Then you were creating
All the doctors got something to teach me. He knew that I had to get Jack to show up to the staff. They weren't assigned to it. You can't run around, you check patient name. And she's like, you are so slow. I didn't know what I was doing. Opus was going crazy, and I didn't have a password. And I was like, okay, okay. And then finally he said, no, you need to check the patient in. I said, oh my God. And then suddenly he started yelling at me. He said, you are so slow. Hurry up, I'm going to be late for my appointment. And she stood up, her daughter was like, she said, you're going to make me cry? I came off on the train to help you out. I can do for any time. But at least you were going to check the name. Just give me some time. I don't do this. This is my first time. I'm the doctor. Thank you.
TJ Carrot. What's up, man?
No, no. I was crying because the line was so long, it was so stressful. I was sitting all the staff the day before. They don't have equipment to do it. And then,
Yeah, Amy?
and then they have people that comes by, they go to do some part of us, honk. Like honk, honk. And the doctor can't even do the honk. You know, the building is right on the side of the street. If everybody honk, you're not gonna hear anything.
Years, like, I don't know, without that.
Yeah. And it was just.
Yeah, it's a big day. I mean, it's the first Yeah, well, those are the guys, they lost the game in the three, double elimination. They lost the game, they were one loss from being out. They probably didn't think they'd be a top.
Seriously, they work so hard the day before. Just
I'm okay with that, yeah. September 10th, I think the weather will have regulated, but we're gonna go from really warm to really cool, especially with the window. Right by the water, you're gonna be quite chill.
Nuts.
Now watch this. A little bit of cloud cover right there in southern Orange County, heading toward Uganda. That is a southerly wind surge, and that is the beginning of the end of the heat. You can see it on the satellite images. It will not help you out today. Temperatures are not going to move much. That's a sign that you have the changes on. Palmdale, sunshine, 95 degrees. Washington, 92 this afternoon in LA. Down to 87 on Thursday. Down to 70.